Honey butter is easily made at home and tastes great.
Welcome to Homemade Cooking in Texas. I'm Carolyn Gibson from Dogwood Gardens, where homemade cooking is surprisingly easy, healthier for you and your family, saves money, and tastes great. Come join me today as I share my favorite recipes, and I hope they will become your favorite recipes. And don't forget, like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, honey butter will just take any recipe you have for homemade rolls or even store-bought rolls and just take it over the top. Now I'm using my Ninja blender. Now I'm using the food processor part of it because I certainly don't need the big container. Now I'm starting out with 3/4 cups of honey. I've got 2 sticks of butter here, and I'm adding 3/4 cups of honey, and then 1/8 a cup of buttermilk. Now buttermilk probably is not something you just keep right there in your house, so it can easily be made by adding a tablespoon of lemon juice or vinegar to your measuring cup, and then filling it up with milk until it's, all the way up to the 1 cup line. And then give it a good stir, letting it set for 5 to 10 minutes. And then it's going to make this creamy buttermilk. And then I'm going to hit pulse. Just to kind of get it going. Rich, creamy honey butter. You're just not going to believe how this will just take any kind of rolls or bread to the next level. Your hand mixer, this is a Hamilton Beach whipped honey butter.
And what goes better with honey butter than my no-knead honey sourdough bread recipe? Look at the description for a link. Thank you so much for joining me today at Homemade Cooking in Texas. These are my favorite recipes, and I hope they will become yours. Now, if you enjoy these recipes, please like and subscribe so you can see more of these type recipes. We have been making a full-time living here on our organic farm since 1991. We need your support to continue our small family farm by liking and subscribing to our channel. Thank you so much.